Hello! In this series, you are going to learn a few past tense forms of some Sinhala verbs. First, let's learn an idea about verbs in Sinhala. In Sinhala, verbs are not categorized into tenses like in English. We have different types of endings depending on the meaning you want to say. But some of these forms can be explained using some tenses like past tense, future tense, present tense, and most of the times it's easy to make one form of the verb from the base form, but not the past tense. To make a past tense form of a verb in Sinhala, you have to remember a list of rules and a list of exceptions. So, in this series, you will learn some past tense forms of common verbs so that you don't have to study and remember all those rules. Let's get started. The first one is 야나와, 야나와, going, 야나와. And the past tense is 기야, went, 기야. Notice that in Sinhala, both simple present tense and present continuous tense are the same, which means I am going is the same as I go in Sinhala. Let's look at some example sentences. Mama ada kadeta yanama. I'm going to the store today. Mama ada kadeta yanama. Mama ada kadeta yanama. Mama iye kadeta kia. I went to the store yesterday. Mama iye kadeta kia. Mama iye kadeta kia. The next word is kanawa, eating. Kana. The past tense is kava, ate. Kava. Nangi bat kanawa. Younger sister is eating rice. Nangi bat kanawa. Malli iye pan kava. The younger brother ate bread yesterday. Malli iye pan kava. Boneva. Bonam means drink. Past tense is biwa, drank. Biwa. Mama vatura boneva. Mama vatura boneva. I am drinking water. Oya gia satie te biwada. Did you drink tea last week? Oya gia satie te biwada. Oya gia satie te biwada. Enama is coming. The past tense is awa, came. Enawa, coming. Awa, came. Ada mage amma enama. My mom is coming today. Ada mage amma enama. Gia maase eage akka awa. Her sister came last month. Gia maase eage akka awa. Gia maase eage akka awa. Uyanama, cooking. Iwa, cooked. Uyanama, cooking. Iwa, cooked. Oya ada kam uyanavada. Do you cook food today? Oya ada kam uyanavada. Oya ada kam uyanavada. Na mama iye iwa. No, I cooked yesterday. Na mama iye iwa. Na mama iye iwa. Hadanava, making. Hadwa, made. Hadanava, making. Hadwa, made. Mage aya sandwiches hadanava. My older brother is making sandwiches. Mage aya sandwiches hadanava. Mama iye hot dog hadwa. I made hot dogs yesterday. Mama iye hot dog hadwa. Mama iye hot dog hadwa. Balanava, looking. watching, or sometimes seeing. Balanava. Balua, looked or watched. Balanava, looking. Balua, looked. Ea, TV eka balanava. She's watching TV. Ea, TV eka balanava. Ea, TV eka balanava. Mama, TV eka balue na. I didn't watch TV. Mama, TV eka balue na. Mama, TV eka balue na. Ganna, getting, buying, or taking. Ganna. Gatta, got, bought, or took. Ganna, getting. Gatta, got. Mama alut car ekak ganna. I'm buying a new car. Mama alut car ekak ganna. Mage yalua giemase alut laptop ekak gatta. My friend bought a new laptop last month. Mage yalua giemase alut laptop ekak gatta. Mage yalua giemase alut laptop ekak gatta. It's the quiz time. Let's see how much you remember. Ready now? Let's start. Say the correct answer. How do you say 8 in Sinhala? Yes, it's kava. How do you say cooked in Sinhala? Yes, iwa. Iwa. Cooked. How do you say drank in Sinhala? It's biwa. Biwa. Drank. How do you say went in Sinhala? Yes, it's gia. Gia. Went. How do you say got or bought in Sinhala? Yes, it's gatta. Gatta. Bought. How do you say came in Sinhala? Yes, ava is came. Ava. How do you say made in Sinhala? And yes, that's hadua. Hadua, made. And the last one, how do you say washed or looked in Sinhala? Yes, the answer is balua. Balua, washed. How many did you get correct? Comment below. Study these words again and again so you don't have to study all the confusing rules for these common past tense words. Let's learn more past tense in the next video. එහෙනම් ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් හම්බෙමු. Bye bye.